friends, today we are drawing 3 adorable animals, a panda, a penguin, and a fox. Let's start with a cute panda. Did you know? Pandas spend up to 14 hours every day eating bamboo. A newborn panda is about the size of a stick of butter, but adults can weigh over 200 pounds. Pandas sometimes roll down hills just for fun. Scientists have even filmed young pandas tumbling and playing together. Even though pandas look cuddly, they are excellent tree climbers. They can climb trees when they are only a few months old. Pandas have a special extra thumb that helps them hold bamboo. It's not a real thumb, but it works like one. Each panda has unique black markings around its eyes, just like people have unique fingerprints. Now let's draw a fox. Foxes have amazing hearing. They can hear a mouse moving underneath snow. Then they leap high into the air and dive headfirst to catch it. Foxes use their fluffy tails as blankets when they sleep. Foxes make over 40 different sounds. They bark, scream, yip, and even make laughing-like noises. Young foxes love to play games, chase each other, and wrestle just like puppies. A fox can remember where it hid hundreds of food snacks for later. Now let's draw a penguin. Did you know? Penguins cannot fly, but they can swim faster than many people can run. Penguins often slide on their bellies across ice. This is called tobogganing. Penguin parents take turns caring for their eggs. The father emperor penguin can balance an egg on his feet for about 2 months. Penguins sometimes give pebbles as gifts to their mates. It's like giving someone a special present. Penguins have waterproof feathers that help keep them warm in freezing weather. Today we drew a panda, a penguin, and a fox. We learned that pandas have a special song. Penguins give pebble gifts, and foxes can hear mice under the snow. Which fact was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time. Bye, friends!